In this video, I'll show you how to enable dual messenger on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. Dual messenger allows you to use two accounts of the same app on one device. For example, you can run two WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger accounts at the same time. This is perfect if you want to keep your personal and business accounts separate on your Samsung phone. Let's see how to set it up. First, open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Now scroll down again and tap Dual Messenger. Here you'll see a list of supported apps installed on your device, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or Messenger. If an app supports dual messenger, it will appear in this list automatically. To create a second copy of the app, simply turn on the toggle next to the app you want to duplicate. A pop-up message will appear asking if you want to install a second copy of the app. Tap Install. Once the installation is complete, you'll see another option called Use Separate Contact List. If you enable this option, the second app will only access the specific contacts you select, helping keep your personal and business contacts separate. After the second copy is installed, go back to the app drawer. You'll now see two versions of the same app. The second app usually has a small dual messenger icon on it. Open the second app and log in with your second account, using a different phone number, email, or username. Now you can use both accounts on the same Samsung device simultaneously. If you ever want to remove the second app, go back to Settings, then Advanced Features, and select Dual Messenger. Turn off the toggle for that app, and you'll see an option to uninstall the second copy. Keep in mind that all data related to the second app will be deleted, but your original app and account will remain unchanged. Tap Uninstall. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dual messenger on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series device, allowing you to use two accounts of the same app at the same time. Thanks for watching.